our worry is Afghan suffering will increase. The impact will be inside Afghanistan in terms of more suffering, more displacement, but also it could be beyond Afghanistan as well, effect on the region in terms of displacement, not only to countries like Pakistan and Iran that have been generous hosts for decades of Afghan refugees, but beyond. The humanitarian crisis in Afghanistan remains really dire. Afghanistan has a population of 40 million which are still in the country, Afghans who are living there. Half of them, nearly 20 million, even before the events of 15th of August, were relying on humanitarian support. And we have seen that this year, during 2021 so far, nearly 700,000 Afghans have been displaced just this year. And this kind of takes the total of displaced people that are only affected by conflict to 3.5 million. So we are now in a race against time to help and support vulnerable, desperate Afghans. And winter is just around the corner. Our fear is if they are not helped as soon as possible, the consequences of this could be really, really worrying and more problematic.